Morning, good morning, you lovely people. I wanna do, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if it's the first time. Kindly leave a like on the video for me, please, and subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. So, not even a waste no time, we're going straight into a short film. But before we do that, let me help you out with the comments. I want you to tell me where this video caught you. So if you got a notification, tell me where you were when you got the notification. Somebody sent it to you. Where were you when you got it? Tell me in the comments. Yes. So as me say, now we have no time no longer. We are going straight now on a short film. I'm not even telling you what the short film about. But my sole intention, apart from to communicate a message, my sole intention in this short film is to evoke some emotions. I want to feel one kind of way when I finish watch the video. But now go no more spoilers. Oh. Hold on. So just below the screen, either this side or this side, there are some buttons. So you see one with the thumbs up, that is the one that you're going to click. And then there's a red button that says subscribe. You're going to click that button, it's going to turn gray, and then you're going to click the option that says all notifications. So that is how you like and subscribe. So the reason for that is to grow the channel, make the interactions them go up, so I can be bought some more time to make complete movies. So yeah, that's why I'm wanting to like, share and subscribe. So you can buy me some time to make some complete movies. So alright, straight into the short film now.
Babe, you know me had something to talk to you about though. Like, me been a consider if me say it to you or what, but eventually we have to go talk about it because it go show.
It go show? What you talk about?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? Right now, babes, we don't even know how that are going on. We can't make my wife know about this now. You're pregnant? Right now, star. You know, so what you plan to do about this? You can't make my wife know nothing about this now, babes. I know it's a tear up my brain, star. I don't even know what to do. I think about my wife, my family, right now. You know, star. Jaja. Wow. So, what you plan to do about this?
What you mean by what me I go do about this? Are the two of we in there? Are the two of we have to do something about it? Because you did already know say you're in a relationship before you come mingle with me. So the two of we are going to figure out something to do.
One thing, you know. You have to just get rid of that.
What you mean by get rid of this?
I can't make my wife know nothing about this right now.
I'm not going to throw a child outside of my belly. So we have to go, like, we have money. We can just go somewhere, just forget about everything behind you and come.
Listen to yourself. What make you so heartless? You really want me to abandon my family? Eh? Right now, I have a young baby on breast. Wait, listen to yourself. You're mad? Want me to abandon my family? Eh?
You did already know that you have a family. And you still coming with me. You not abandon your family, but you want me to abandon my family. Me not that should have picked me. Me a keep you. And you see if you don't mind me, I come up here and go sit down by your veranda.
My veranda? My veranda? Mama, we know what to do with you, here. You know what, come out here. Let go from me, let go from me.
Mama, we know what to do with me up there, or me we know what to do with Mama up there.
This is not me, you know. This is not me. I can't leave my family. We do something reckless. And we have to work out that. I can't leave my family.
But I not like me come to you and did I tell you to leave your family in the beginning. Me just did I simply ask you what we are going to do about it. And it seems like you just want to lift the burden for me, lift everything to me.
So, if you know that shit way, and me not left my family, so what we are gonna do? We are gonna do this in a secret same way?
This is not how me did plan for raising my picnic, you know. Honestly, me never want to raise a child like this, but we're already in it. So we have to just continue until we can come up with something to do about it. But this is not what we are going to do indefinitely, you know. Me just give you some time to figure out what you are going to do. Because we have to come up with something to do about it.
Okay, fine. Fine. But don't come to me yard, you know. Remember say the secret. I have to left you now, so me call you when me reach in.
Try and make sure you call me, you know. Because if you don't call me, your wife when me a call.
You saw me I work with you? Don't bother with the foolishness, you know. Me call you when me reach up. How you get my wife number?
Don't worry yourself. Me have all our mother number too. Just make sure say you call me when you reach up, you know.
So yeah guys, that has been it. That's the short film. And as I said, like, comment and share. So the interaction can go up so I have more time to make full length movies. But before we end this video, I'm gonna talk to this actress, or I'm gonna make she talk it. We'll talk to this nice beautiful young lady over here. So
Alright, please remember to go on Instagram and follow me at the_prettyblackgirl.
So D as in
T-H-E.
T-H-E?
Yeah.
So T-H-E, pretty girl.
_prettyblackgirl.
Yeah, so she not waste no time. Go and follow her Instagram. So, how was that just now?
Was great.
Yeah, how you think you do? I want to rate her, guys. I want to rate her out of 10. How good she do at the acting? So, can consider this video one like an audition thingy, I guess, then.
Yeah guys, so just tell me in the comments how well I did and let me know if you want to see more videos of me, please.
Yes, so Reina come down so we can't get to do a full interview with her. But this is a beautiful young lady. I'm not just seeing the little short film thingy there. Remind us of your name again?
Natasha.
Natasha.
Yeah.
So, anything you want to say before we end the video, Natasha? So, thank you for tuning in. Tell them to subscribe.
Please continue to support, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And please tell me if you want to see more of me.
Them definitely want to see more of you. You not even see the video. So, yeah. Like, share,
comment,
subscribe.